Because they're dying of
Real gentle. Real gentle.
He has two. Oh. Oh.
I got one. I got
See,
fish.
don't be afraid.
See, no, you like fish. You like fish.
No, I don't.
Come on, try. Come on.
Please.
I'll try
Here you go.
touching them.
It's not going to hurt. Just get them in and scoop in your hand like that, and you'll feel them dance in your hand.
Oh, gosh.
Here, I will get one for you.
One more, okay?
I will get one for you, Exie.
Well, they're
No,
not all
you-
staying in there.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm killing fish. I'm killing fish.
20 cents, he's still one of Jesus' creatures.
You need to put it in.
Is that silly?
Yeah.
I'm killing
I
fish.
need 2 babies. No, that one's not going in there. I have somewhere else for that one.
I'm
You have to get the
killing
little
fish.
one.
That's not fun.
Hence why I closed the drain.
Hello.
Got it?
You knew someone would do that.
Hello.
Oh my
Can you
god.
see him? Can you see him? There. See him under the light?
I thought fish do bite.
There. See? Oh, he almost jumped in your hand.
He keeps jumping out, pushing you to the. Put your fingers together.
You know what? Let me get this big one for a minute.
Oh, you got it.
I got him. Now it's easier for you to get those.
Oh, you almost got it.
Yeah, smash him. Bring him up. Oh, there he goes. Right there. Oh no! Save the fish! Save him!
Oh
Save
my
him!
God.
Save him! Save him!
Why are they all like
Pick him up,
digging
put
at
him
the
in there.
bottom?
Put him quick! Oh, phew, thank
They're all
goodness.
like digging at the bottom.
Now they're probably trying to get out. They're like, is the ocean in here? If I keep going? Come on, you can get that last one. Don't let him play you for a fool. You can grab him.
Isn't this an experience?
Okay, we'll wipe it up. Go ahead.
Oh no.
Look where you're aiming at, buddy. Okay.
This one's
Let me put a little water out.
I'm gonna
Now
laugh
see
so
if you
hard
can-
like you pour out the fish.
Did that before.
Can you get more?
More water?
Okay.
Okay. There you go, there you go, there you go. Oh, you were so close. You were so close. This is good hand-eye coordination. This is how I teach school.
Can you hand it?
I'm not doing it. Have your sister get it then. What?
I killed a fish before.
You didn't kill him.
Can
He's
you-
still floating.
Hey, can you get my can?
No,